Iconoclast. Iconoclast is a noun word, which means a person who does not believe or accept any class or group or community which is generally accepted by the society, so such person is called iconoclast. Also, an iconoclast is someone who challenges or rejects established beliefs, traditions, or social norms. They often bring about significant changes in their respective fields or societies by questioning prevailing ideas and pushing for innovative or unconventional approaches. Now, divide the word into two parts. Icon and class. What does it means? Well, you better know that every person have icon which represent their identity, also they belong from a group or a class. Let's take an example of Pakistan. Icons of Pakistan are its green and white flag, its dress which is shalwar and kameez, its Minari Pakistan, and so on. Also, its class is Pakistani. Suppose you are in abroad where you have seen many groups or classes, or communities which are different one another in their dress, languages, behavior, flag, and much more. Maybe, some groups or classes are of Pakistani, some of Indian, some of Chins, and so on. Now, how would you know that these belong from that country? Yes, of course, because of their icons and classes. Let's take one common example of iconoclast. You have seen two dominant classes in our society, which is male and female. Now, I need your attention here. We would take one girl and one boy from both groups, okay? Suppose boy has many relations with girls without nikah, then he would defiantly be appreciated for this act. On the other hand, if a girl is involved such type of activities, she would be called bad character. Interestingly enough, if you are thinking that why both have not equal rights in our culture despite religion has given to them, you would be called iconoclastic person because you would not accept the unbalance treated between both communities. Iconoclast is also used for that person whose ideas, innovation, new development have been rejected, and later on, he would proof them practically. There are many examples. Number 1, Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was an iconoclast person, since he did not accept that why only white people had full of freedom and opportunities, in the America. But black people had just slavery life. He wanted to be equality on both communities. Second one, is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He, an Indian scholar, political leader and chief architect of the Indian Constitution, born into an untouchable community, spent his life fighting against the Indian caste system. He was an iconoclast person because he did not accept the brutality with lower caste of upper caste in India. Caste system divide into 5 class: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, and Dalits. In these communities, the upper 3 classes have full of freedom, but the lower 2 classes have slavery lifestyle. Third one example is Coco Chanel. She was the French fashion designer, challenged the conventional fashion trends of her time, introducing simple, comfortable, and elegant clothing designs that departed from the restrictive and elaborate styles prevalent in the early 20th century. Chanel's innovative creations, such as the little black dress, transformed women's fashion and influenced modern clothing designs. Fourth one, Marie Curie. She was the Polish-born physicist and chemist, was a pioneer in the field of radioactivity. Curie's groundbreaking research on radium and polonium led to the development of new theories and opened up new avenues for medical and industrial applications of radioactive materials. Despite facing societal barriers as a woman in the scientific community, Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the only person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. Other personalities like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and so on are the iconoclastic persons. Synonyms of iconoclast: nonconformist, rebel, dissenter, maverick, heretic, renegade. radical, revolutionary, individualist, freethinker. Antonyms: traditionalist, conformist, conservative, follower, orthodox, establishment, believer, conventionalist, purist, complier. That's it. Thank you.